Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua, we have the 2017 Infiniti QX50. Featuring the 3.7 liter V6. The QX50, actually I think it was Infiniti's smallest SUV. This example is certified pre-owned with only 21,000 miles on the odometer. It's all the original paperwork. Window sticker. This thing looks great. I've always been partial to this generation of QX50. And this example is definitely one of the nicest I've seen. Sunroof. Awesome. Let's go for a drive. Featuring automatic transmission. Again, 3.7 liter V6. Same one found in the G37. So yes, this is a VQ motor. Also, if you're curious where G35 and G37 came from, well, now they're a Q50, QX60, or Q60 I should say. It came from the displacement of the motor. But I think, what was it, 2015, Infiniti changed to the Q configuration for all their cars and SUVs, because I think QX, what was the QX60? I think that was the J35, I think is what it was. I think the QX80 was the MX something. I mean, even look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel's straight out of a G37. Plenty of power too. I mean, keep in mind here that it doesn't weigh a whole lot in the grand scheme of SUVs. And it's putting down over 300 horsepower, so it can scoot. braking's not bad either. Honestly, now that these are coming off lease, there's a good amount of them in the market, and they're nice. These things are great. And the new QX50 is 4-cylinder only. So this is the last Q50 with the V6. Some people, that's a deal breaker. I'd say for some people it's a deal breaker. For me, if it's a good 4-cylinder, yeah, okay, I'll go with it, but I prefer bigger engines. That's why I miss the 5-cylinder Passat. Oh, I almost bought that car. I was seriously thinking about buying that car. Because as a daily driver, a 5-cylinder, oh, if I were to do an intake and exhaust on that, thing sounds like a mini RS3. Sorry, it is like stupid humid out. So if I keep my hands on the steering wheel for long enough, they start to stick to the wheel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.